On one joyful day, Princess Anne, compelled by the sweet scent, was drawn into the cake forest. Lo and behold, she was made welcome by a beautiful cottage beside an olive tree.
Wow.
There, awaiting the princess, were the luscious Christmas cakes. Indulged in the cake, she had not a single clue that her tiara was lost. Romeo, enamored of the royal highness, summoned up his courage. Was it the charm of the hugimja, or his hukshim? As was made their love at first sight, the two lovebirds spent Christmas in happiness and delight. Hello, Paskoochie Winter.